Good morning, students. Today I am explaining one question asked by one of you that form the pair of linear equations in the following problems and find their solutions graphically. First part is 10 students of class 10th took part in a mathematics quiz. If the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys, find the number of boys and girls who took part in the quiz. And the second part is 5 pencils and 7 pens together cost rupees 50, whereas 7 pencils and 5 pens together cost rupees 46. Find the cost of one pencil and that of the one pen. So students, I will solve the first part, and on the basis of this you have to solve the second part. Okay, so let's solve the first part. Solution first. Now it is given that 10 students of class 10th. So let the number of boys be x and number of girls be y. Now since the total number of boys and girls is 10, so x plus y is equal to 10. This is equation number 1. Now it is given that if the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys, number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys. Okay, so we have to solve these questions graphically. So first of all, consider x plus y is equal to 10. Make a box like this. X and y. When x is equal to 0, y is equal to 10. When y is equal to 0, x is equal to 10. And y is equal to 4 plus x. Again, x, y. When x is equal to 0, y is equal to 4. When y is equal to 0, when y is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 4. Okay. Now how to solve? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Now when x is equal to 0, y is equal to 10. So this is the first point. When x is equal to 10, y is equal to 0. So this is the second point. So our first graph will be like this. Now second graph, when x is equal to 0, y is equal to 4. This. And when x is equal to minus 4, y is equal to 0. This. So it will be this. Okay, So this is a solution. So this is what point? This is 3,7. So the number of boys is 3 and the number of girls is 7. Okay students, I think this is clear to you. Now students, we will study a new types of linear equations where we have to reduce these equations into a pair of linear equations. So solve the pair of equations by reducing them to a pair of linear equations. Okay, so how to solve such type of equations? Solution. Now first equation can be written as 1 by 2 into 1 by x plus 1 by 3 into 1 by y is equal to 2. This is equation number 1. And 1 by 3 into 1 by x plus 1 by 2 into 1 by y is equal to 13 by 6. Okay, so now what we do, we put 1 by x and 1 by y. So put 1 by x is equal to a and 1 by y is equal to b. So equation 1 and 2 becomes 1 upon 2a plus 1 upon 3b is equal to 2 and 1 upon 3a plus 1 upon 2b is equal to 13 by 6. Give this equation number 3 and this is equation number 4. Okay, now students, let's take the LCM. So it will be 3a plus 2b is equal to 12 and this will be equal to 2a plus 3b is equal to 13. Okay, now multiply this equation by 2 and this equation by 3. So it comes 6a plus 4b is equal to 24 and 6a plus 9b is equal to 39. This minus and minus, 6a cancels out. This is minus 5b is equal to minus 15. B is equal to 3. Now since 3a plus 2b is equal to 12, so by putting the value of b, 3a plus 2 into 3 is equal to 12, 3a plus 6 is equal to 12, 3a is equal to 6, a is equal to 2. Now since 1 upon x is equal to a, this is equal to 2, so this implies that x is equal to 1 upon 2, and similarly 1 upon y is equal to b, is equal to 3. So y is equal to 1/3. Okay students, I think this is clear to you.